How to fix your Lyft login problem in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. There are 7 steps you can follow. The first is going to be checking your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, and you can try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. If that doesn't work, you might need to simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and simply go ahead and check if there are any updates available. And if there is, simply go ahead and update your application. If that is not the case and you're using an Android, you can simply go to Settings, Apps, Lifts, and Storage, and simply go ahead and click on Clear Cache in order to go ahead and clear all the temporary cache files. You want to also make sure that you're using the correct email and phone number and check if you have any typos. If not, you can simply go ahead and click on the forgot password or forgot phone number tab. Simply go ahead and enter your email or phone number, and they're going to send you a link to reset your password. If that still doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and restart your device, or at the end, simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the Lyft application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.